Hello, what's up guys, I'm your favorite vlogger Sunny. New day, new vlog, and today's a really new different topic. Really different topic. It's like today I woke up really late at 12 p.m. So now I'm gonna make myself breakfast. So the recipe is like scrambled eggs and mashed potatoes and bread. Yeah. So guys, my potatoes are boiling, and I'm gonna make my eggs. And my bread is over there. It's done. I cooked it before. So guys, now I'm waiting for the potatoes, and now I'm gonna make my eggs. Guys, so I got my eggs over here. So guys, I'm gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna see. Finally, I mixed the eggs, and now I got my black pepper and I got salt. And this is salt in Portuguese. So I'm gonna put a little of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Done. Now I'm gonna mix it again. Guys, I'm done with the eggs. All done, and now I'm gonna cook the eggs and still waiting for the mashed potatoes. Look guys, that's a little broken egg. Hello, my name is egg number 1 and I'm broken. Yay! And this is Zuni. He's a good YouTuber. Subscribe and like and share his YouTube channel. Guys, the eggs in the place where he's gonna get cooked. Guys, scrambled eggs done. So guys, I'm done with the eggs and bread. So and my boiled eggs. Boiled potatoes are also done, and now I'm gonna settle it, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm gonna meet you. Okay, so guys, bye.
I'm the TNT.
2,000 years later.